FSA HSA approval on Amazon equals more customers. Learn how to get it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. All right, so you can see we got FSA HSA approval for one of our clients, Hickaway. Now you can just type in Hickaway on Amazon and then you can see FSA or HSA eligible for all of their listings. And this does help increase sales, increase credibility, and I'm gonna explain that towards the end of the video. But to get it, all you have to do is open up a case with Amazon. So what you're gonna do is log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're simply going to open up a case. My issue is not listed. And then this is where you're going to ask them to get FSA HSA approval. So this is what we're gonna type in. So you're gonna say, what do you need help with? And you're just gonna type in this. I would like to apply to be FSA HSA approved. See image attached that shows FSA HSA approval. So you're gonna take a screenshot and just show Amazon what FSA HSA eligible is, that it's actually on Amazon. So take a screenshot of Hickaway's, right? That way they push you to the correct team, because they might be like, what does that even mean? You know how seller support is. So we're gonna show them a picture that products on Amazon can be FSA HSA approved, right? And then you're gonna put your ASIN in here. I want my ASIN to be FSA HSA approved. And then say you reviewed the SIG-IS policies and my ASIN should be eligible for FSA HSA approval. You're gonna submit that to Amazon. There's going to be multiple follow-ups, but pretty much it's gonna have something like this. Once you reach out, they're hopefully going to transfer you to the right team. Once you get transferred to the right team, they're gonna say, hi, my name is Kate. Your ASIN has been submitted to SIG-IS for review, and we will follow up after the 17th. And then once that happens, then they're finally going to say, hi, I've gone through your previous correspondence. And they're gonna say, hey, we approved it. Kindly note that we received an update and we've completed your review. Your ASIN has been verified as eligible and flagged on Amazon. Please allow 48 hours, and within 48 hours, your detail page will look like theirs, where it says FSA or HSA eligible, which is the same as FSA or HSA approved. Now that you know how to do it, I'm gonna explain more in depth what the heck FSA HSA even is. And it's pretty much a tax deductible item. So if somebody purchases this, they can actually write it off on their taxes, because it's like a healthcare product, right? So there's FSA, refers to flexible spending account, and HSA refers to health savings account. So if they purchase these items, they can use their FSA account or their HSA account, and then they can actually get tax deduction. So that's benefit number one. Benefit number two is you can actually filter it via Amazon to increase your sales, right? So all you have to do is scroll down, and then there's actually a filter on Amazon that says FSA or HSA eligible, and it'll only show products that are FSA, HSA eligible. And people do use this, and it does help increase sales. The last thing is, if you just type in on Amazon, FSA, you'll see that people are typing in FSA, HSA approved products only, FSA eligible items only, FSA. So people are actually typing in this, so you're automatically gonna be ranking for these keywords, because your product is FSA, HSA eligible, right? So let's dive into it a little bit more. So we need to figure out what products are eligible, because not every product is eligible for FSA or HSA, right? So what you're gonna do is go to Google, type in SIG-IS, SIGIS, SIG-IS, eligible product list. There should be a PDF, right? And you can actually download this PDF and open it. And it's gonna have like a list of products that are eligible, right? So acupressure treatments, like C-bands, it gives you examples, breast pumps, contraceptives, cotton balls, stuff like that. There's a significant amount. What you can do is also ask AI. So you can say, hey, here's my product, here's the list, is my product eligible? And if you don't know, you can always just push it through Amazon and see if Amazon will get it pushed through. And last but not least, you can actually contact SIG-IS. So SIG-IS, these are the ones that are pretty much verifying if you can be FSA, HSA eligible. Once they verify, they're the ones that notifies Amazon, and then Amazon allows it. So you can actually email them. Here's their email and say, hey, I'm selling this product. Is it FSA, HSA eligible? And then kind of go from there. There's also a way to look at competitors to see if they're FSA, HSA eligible. One of the easiest ways is just to look on Amazon, and if one of your competitors is FSA, HSA eligible, then you can be too. Is it worth it? Hell yes. Anything to get ahead of the competition on Amazon is worth it. This is a one-time thing. So all you have to do is get approved once. You don't have to keep reapplying. You just get it once. It's on your product pretty much forever. So can't beat that. It's definitely a benefit, but that's it for today's video. Are you struggling to get your products approved for FSA or HSA? Drop your questions below and I'll help you out. If you learned something new in today's video, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that'll help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue, or trying to get FSA, HSA eligible. We can do it for you. Just save money, time, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.